this is what we're seeing. Check out this box. I wanted to do some queen breeding, but kind of early in the season, and I'm thinking that based on how it is, we're gonna have to do some switching up here. There are quite a lot of things. A whole heap of things go on. A lot of building take place. However, we have up to 10 frames of brood, or 10 bars of brood. This is number 11, number 12, and there's a lot of pollen there. I'm surprised still, because this is a hive where we collect a lot of pollen from, with our pollen trap. You see me? And we collect that every night, but number 12, in this frame, there's a lot of info. We can tell a lot of information that we get, as we get some nectar here. So say that we're in somewhat of a flow. But we also have some drone. That's right, drone larvae. I've seen a couple drone larvae in there. Yeah, spring just taking place. It's just build up. Well, not really in spring yet still, but it's early. The amount of build up that we're getting. Yeah, spring taking place. The amount of build up that we're getting, and traffic is preparing the hive to get to that level of swarming, reproduction, building up for the queens. So we're not ready yet. We're gonna wait upon them to do some more activities. I'm gonna switch around these 2 bars right here, because they were all over here in the colony. So we're gonna switch them, put them in between number 11 and number 12, so they would have been, I guess, 9 and 11, and then 10 and 12 switch to 10 and 12, so they would be 9 and 11. Yeah, we're gonna switch them around and see how the hive produces. Continue doing our thing before we breed queen. Fridge hive. I'm a popper, but fam, I think I deem this a success for sure. Have some space to improve. We'll see if we can push this year's growth up top, down bottom, some new bars here into inside. Give them some more time. See what's going on at the freezer. I kept the freezer closed, kind of tight still. Oh yeah, kept the freezer closed. Really excited about this. Most winter. Alright. Let's start doing some comb building up there, so I guess from that first wave where nectar, honey, first honey flow coming in, so yeah, then build up a piece of comb there. They look good still. Have some nectar right here, son. Have some nectar right there. I'll see what I'm up to. Quick peek into the freezer. Yeah, that's a good brood pattern right there. Really good brood pattern. And I have some pollen, so yeah, them good. At least you know, say yo, they're set for the starting spring. So they have some pollen there. That's mixed. That's fairly old, mixed with fresh. So I think that's a good supply. Shiny ones signify that they're not necessarily being touched or used frequently, and the matted ones is they more frequent. So yeah, some capped honey, open nectar. So that's one. What number 2 frame deep? Yeah, they built on half of this. Yeah, they have some food, stored food. So yeah, I'm excited.